Hello, welcome to Bird Town. This is where I live and all my friends. This is a big fish statue, and this is what it looks like. Houses and houses and houses. Oh, by the way, we're getting some more bird friends. We're getting, let's see, 1, 2, 4. 4 bird friends. We're getting... Should I say it to them or should I surprise?
Surprise.
Okay, we're going to surprise you, so I can't tell you yet. Oh, one of them is coming tomorrow, but the other 3 are coming on Saturday. So this is my car. I brought it from some plasticky girl. And it has a GPS and it has a nice remote. Steering wheel. This is my house. I think it's pretty nice. I have a mat. It says, please wipe your talons on the mat. And it says, welcome Berto's house. And then inside, I got a rug. It's fuzzy. And then a blanket. There's a mattress. And then a pillow. It's sewed. And it's cool. Okay. This is just a statue. This is called Brookfish Town. This is Red-winged Blackbird's house right over here. Inside of it, there's a stove, the TV, and then there's a sink right there, and then that's his bed. This is just my shed. This is the apartment building. It also has a hospital in it for Dr. Buzz. Oh, and these are gargoyles. They're supposed to be, but they're birds. Oh, and this, it leads down. This has a code, and it's Redwood's house. This is Carmel's house. These are the public restrooms. You have to pay to go in it for some reason, but not my idea. And that's our town. So, I'm going to get a close-up view.